In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn an average block of tofu into a delicious flavor-packed meal. This recipe is inspired by my trip to Shanghai, where I got to try the amazing organic hand-pressed tofu at Yuan farm. My version slathers tofu with a mouth-watering mushroom stir-fry. Delicious, vegan, and super healthy. So I've got here one large block of organic firm tofu. And the first thing I want to do is to season it with some salt and then a pinch of ground white pepper. Next, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing rice wine, or you could use dry sherry. I'm going to steam the tofu on a medium to high heat for about 8 minutes. So while the tofu is steaming, I'm going to get on with my sauce. So I've got here some vegetable stock. To this, I'm going to add in some rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of Lee Kum Kee's pure sesame oil. For some saltiness, I'm going to add Lee Kum Kee's premium light soy sauce. This is going to add a lovely savory note. Lee Kum Kee's mushroom vegetarian stir-fry sauce, a lovely umami, savory richness. And now to finish the sauce off, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of corn flour. And this is going to help thicken the sauce in the wok as it cooks. So just give this a good stir. Perfect. The tofu's at 8 minutes. Just a quick check. It's lovely and steaming hot. I'm going to put it on one side, and then I'm going to get on with the rest of my mushroom stir fry. We want the wok smoking hot. Add my rapeseed oil. I'm going to add in some minced garlic, grated ginger. In go my shiitake mushrooms, the drizzle of Shaoxing rice wine, just along the edges. In with my oyster mushrooms. So cook that for a few seconds so they start to soften. In goes my delicious sauce, and just bring that sauce to the boil. Look at that, it thickens up instantly and it smells so good. Fold in some fresh enoki mushrooms. They don't take long at all. And then we're just going to toss to coat. That is going to be delicious on top of the tofu. So just take it off the heat. A few sprinkles of spring onion. So that's it, that's my mushroom sauce done. My tofu's ready. It's time to serve. Just gently lift out the tofu, and then I'm going to pour this delicious mushroom stir fry all over the top. Beautiful. And just pile it up. There you have it. My steamed tofu with mixed mushroom stir fry. Make sure you check out the rest of the series for loads more delicious eats and easy to make recipes. Just click the link on the screen now.